Hindi natin kaya maabot yung success overnight. We have to spend time and effort and all the resources that we have in order for us to reach that point that we can call ourselves successful people. So, kung ikaw yung tipong tao na gusto mo maging successful, pero naiinip ka, nababagalan ka, piling mo ang tagal-tagal ng mga bagay, or ang tagal dumating sa yung success, maaaring tama yan, pero maaaring mali din yung pakiramdam mo. Tama siya in a sense na you still have something left that you need to do before you become rich. At mali din na in a sense na baka minamaliit mo yung mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo na madali mo makuha ay madali din sa'yo mawala. So, patience really is something that we need to practice. We need to apply. And every time that we aim something na mas malaki, we aim something na mas maganda, there will always be accompanied patience dun sa process na yun. Huwag nating isipin na yung mga bagay-bagay, madali natin makuha, kailangan natin pagdaanan yung process. And in that process, diyan tayo matututo kung paano maging patience. And hindi yung pasyente na may sakit, no? Kundi isang tao na matyagang nag-aantay. Naghihintay kasi hindi ka lang nakatayo, kundi ginagawa mo yung part mo, yung best mo, dahil meron kang gustong marating. Habang kumikilos ka, pupunta ka dun sa point na gusto mo makuha sa buhay mo. Yun yung tamang klase ng patience eh. When they hear the word patience, nag-aantay lang sila, wala silang ginagawa. As in, waiting lang. Hindi dapat ganon. It's not like that. Doing something that you need to do while you are waiting and having progress towards something that you want to achieve in your life. Hindi yung patience na nakatunga ka lang, wala kang ginagawa. So, if you want to become successful in life, that is, you need to understand there's no overnight success. There's no such thing. Walang success na makukuha mo overnight. Walang kahit sino. Kailangan mong pagdaanan yung proseso. And therefore, in order for you to gain the process, in the process, making you successful, magkaroon ka naman ng maraming mistakes, but you still continue and you make a success out of your patience. Kailangan mo lang mag-antay. Maging pasensyoso ka lang. Maging matyaga ka sa lahat ng bagay, may right timing, may right purpose. Thank you everyone and God bless.